Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries placements. Okay, so Aries, love reading. Okay. Ano bang meron? So, siguro hanggang mid-month. Okay? Mid-September. Okay. So, oops. Before tayo mag-start, Aries, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay? Nalulutang ako. Ewan ko bakit. Natutulala ako. Ewan ko. Okay. Kung may tanong naman po pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Hang on. Okay, kuha lang ako dito ng oracle. For Aries. Okay, hang on. Sandali lamang. Okay. Aries. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Oh! Okay. So, running. Ghosting, disappearing, invisible. Okay. So, ibalik natin to dito. Kita nyo yun. Oo. Someone is like, parang nakakaramdam ako dito ng may galit. Okay? May galit. Ano pa? For Aries. Aries. Peace. Okay. Balance, harmony, friendship. Okay. Kung makikita nyo, someone is running away from peace. Okay? Someone is running away from peace. Anong sabi ko kanina? Merong nagagalit rito. Ha? Meron. Okay? So, siguro, nandyan yung hindi pa rin totally nagiging okay yung situation nyo. Natutulala talaga ako. I don't know why. Okay. Tingnan natin, no, Aries. Ano bang meron talaga pagdating sa inyo? So, who is the person on your mind? Okay. Who is the person on your mind, Aries? Okay. Aries placements. Who is the person on your mind? Okay. Sino yung dahilan mo? Bakit ka nanonood? So, 9 of Wands, universe. This is like parang limitations or iba naman sa inyo parang pagsuko dahil napagod na. Okay? Yeah. So, may nag-jump. Yeah. The 9 of Swords in reverse. Situation. Pwedeng meron ditong napapagod na, nagagalit na, ang daming fire. Etong Ace of Swords, kahit air to, fire, nandyan. This is fire. This is air, pero may fire yung air. Some of you, nakita ko rito ng someone is like, meron ng chinuchugi bells sa isip pa lang. Oo, may chinuchugi bells na. Okay. Kasi meron ditong parang napagod na kakahintay ng katotohanan, ng clarity or what. Ano bang emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Aries? Aries, emosyon niya, strength. Yeah. Holding back. Pwedeng nagagalit ka dito dahil hindi niya totally ipinapakita. They're like holding back, closed off pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? The strength. Why? Tingnan natin. The Nine of Cups in reverse. Maybe someone's like sobrang natakot pagdating sa commitments. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw, pinapakita mo sa kanya na ready ka. Na overwhelmed yung tao. Yeah. They feel overwhelmed. Tingnan natin emosyon mo for them, Aries. Yan, nakakaramdam ako ng galit dito, Aries. Okay. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. And yeah, the Seven of Wands. Naririnig ko, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Again, kung makikita nyo, meron na namang fire. Pwedeng ina-avoid mo na rin tong taong to dahil nagkaroon ng on and off sa inyong dalawa before the Ace of Swords in reverse. Okay? Napagod na dun. And now, pinapakita mo kung anong sabihin nating anong dapat. Okay? The King of Swords in reverse. Na nagkokos ng parang kasi someone is like confident na sa ngayon. Pero yung pagiging confident is dala na rin ng galit. Dala na rin ng kung ano mang nangyaring hindi okay. Some of you, there's revenge. Okay? Na nagre-result ng parang takot doon sa isang tao. Kung meron ditong separation, natakot itong taong to na maging open or i-approach ka. Yeah. Natatakot na sabihin yung dapat sabihin dahil alam nila kung anong maririnig nila from you. Anong next action niya? Ngayong September, up to mid-September, the World Universe. Okay, so wala pa rin. Kung may unfinished business, andun pa rin. No, wala pa rin magbabago. Yan, the King of Wands. The Ace of Wands. Pinapakita rin kasi ng taong ito na hindi siya magpapakontrol. Pero actually, nandiyan yung issue. Okay? Nandiyan yung issue. Hindi to like magpapatalo for some of you dahil gawa na rin ng ego. Hindi nito ipapakita yung pagkatakot sa'yo. Yeah, the Six of Swords by moving away, by distancing themselves from you. At hayaan na maging miss opportunity kung ano mang meron sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Tingnan natin ang outcome nyo ngayong mid-September. The Knight of Swords in reverse, so there's no talking, no actions at all. Dahil pwedeng you're just like going in circles. Going in circles. Paulit-ulit. Okay? Walang leveling up. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Burdens. That's why. Kaya ako nakakaramdam ng parang galit. Okay, sobrang nakakapagod na to. Nakakadismaya na. Parang ganyan. Okay? Meron ngang nadidisappoint nga, no? Ganyan. Dahil walang mangyari. Kung hindi nakikipag-usap yung isa't isa, nandyan pa rin yung burden. Nandyan pa rin. Hindi pa rin ito ma-resolve. Okay? So, anong advice? Tingnan natin. Anong advice for Aries? Advice. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Someone needs to step up. Okay? Wala na dapat yung pauyuhan. Sabihin natin, if this is forgiveness, ibigay na. Kahit hindi hingiin, ibigay. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Okay? Kasi yung nakikita ko rin dito sa iba is like, itong taong ito, dala-dala niya yung mga sagot na hindi naman ibinibigay sa'yo. Tinatakasan niya, lahat naman pwede niyang sagutin pero hindi niya sinasagot eh. Okay? The Nine of Swords, this is like pag-alis sa mga stressful na situation. Okay? Well, maybe it's up to you kung aalisan mo or hindi. Okay? So, mas maganda, advice is the Nine of Swords in reverse. Huwag mo nang stressin yung sarili mo sa mga ganito. Kung hindi masagot, edi hindi. Okay? And just move forward. Huwag ka na masyadong mag-isip. Okay? Closure. Hindi pa ba closure yon? Disrespectful. Ang pag-disrespect nga sa'yo, hindi pa ba closure yon? Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you. Aries placement. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye!